right vehicle? Check out the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers, navigation system, heated front seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.